Good morning. We are at the Keto Chow headquarters. We're going to get a little tour. We're going to record some podcasts. All kinds of fun stuff today. It's going to be a great day. Are you ready, Lindsay?
I'm so ready, but it's my turn to talk now.
Okay, ready, go.
Hey, y'all,
We're ready for this.
So here we are. Let's do a tour.
Let's do it.
Okay, so this is obviously the front area. Wow.
Is it literally called the front area, or is it called the store?
Storefront. You've got front in there somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
This is the storefront. There is stuff available here that you can't get anywhere else.
Mm-hmm.
I think yesterday or the day before, we actually still had a little bit of peppermint.
Wow.
Oh,
there it is.
There is still
There
some.
it is.
Okay.
I think that's the last of the last one,
Might
guys.
be.
Oh, we tasted the black licorice last night.
Oh, you tried it?
Yeah, we got it on video, so like and subscribe
Yeah, wait
for
and
updates.
see what- Whenever we go to shows, we stage all the stuff here.
Oh.
So we have a whole bunch of suitcases, because most of the time we're taking stuff to shows in suitcases.
Right.
I thought y'all just lived here. And we're currently getting ready for Hack Your Health, and so.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Are you going to be there?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Then you've got lots and lots of, actually in this case you've got lots and lots of blender bottles. Wow. And the things up on, those are all recipe boxes.
Are you kidding?
Really?
Yeah, well they
Wow.
never go bad.
That's true. That's real.
That's true.
And your design is already perfect, so why would you change it?
We have a assembly team that puts together the different, in this case, salty things.
Look at
So
this.
it comes out, and then we've just got empty bags.
Ooh.
Smart.
And then we've got big boxes of 1,000 of each stick pack, and they just throw all the stuff together. Our storefront up there, this is where people, oh no, we do still have some peppermint right there.
Ooh, look at all that peppermint. All
Look at
right.
that.
There's going to be a rush on the
Liar.
office here.
I was operating on the
fire.
best information that I had.
I was pointing at Linda.
I'm
just
You know, I have a hard time sharing.
We've got a station over here where we ship a lot of stuff out of the country to a couple distributors who are distributing Keto Chow in their country, like
Cool.
for instance New Zealand. And that's where that all gets put together. Yeah, just
This is a lot of keto chow.
lots of.
Yeah. Ooh,
This is
snickerdoodle.
warehouse one.
This is like what it sounds like about half.
Yes, they are reach trucks. Thank you for your specificity. They're not forklifts; they are technically reach trucks. But yeah,
I used to work in a warehouse.
this is Dora. This is around here somewhere. And that's Perry the platypus.
Excellent.
The other reach truck is Carl the intern. On Wednesdays, you can grill meat if you want.
Okay.
Only on Wednesdays.
Well, you can grill it anytime you
All
want.
other days you must
Traditionally,
consume
Steve
keto
has
chow.
grilled.
Wow.
That is a really nice sized grill.
That is fantastic.
Actually, they used to sell them at Sam's Club. I don't know if they still do.
You bought the last one.
We actually did. It was like, he said, these are marked down on clearance. Should I buy one? I said, yes, please do.
So you started in just that.
Well, actually, we started in a different warehouse.
Actually, we started in their kitchen.
Yes, we
Yeah.
did actually start in the kitchen. We picked up this space very soon after we picked up that space because this went up for lease. It was like, that might not be enough space, and if we want to expand, we could get joined with a loading dock. Like, that would be stupid.
So how long have you been at this location?
Since July of 2019.
Okay. It's been a while.
This side we got in December of 2019.
I should have brought our roller. Oh, that's so cool.
So the volume of keto chow that I have at my house actually seems reasonable.
It does.
Yeah, it seems like very little now.
Again, it's all a matter of perspective.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of this is where they pull the stuff for orders. This is kind of the staging area sort of thing.
Ooh, look at all this.
You've got surprise kits that are pre-made.
Oh, you still have vanilla.
We do still have some
The
vanilla,
old
not a
vanilla.
lot.
Yeah.
You've got salty here. You've got various electrolytes. This is called flow racking. You stick boxes on it or whatever, and it just.
Oh yeah, I see that. I see that. It's like milk in the grocery store.
Miriam did climb onto it once and rolled down, and turns out you get very dirty.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I would not recommend it.
I'll do it now.
Wow.
Let me stand in your way.
Yeah. Don't mind us.
So then, yeah, so they load, we have a person who they break down boxes, put them into these bins, they come down, and then the pulling team will go through and
Take it.
so you've actually got a picking thing
Station.
going on right here.
Look at the little sample packs.
Picking orders actively right now. We're watching.
They're so
the
cute.
process. So
Oh,
fun.
okay.
Variety pack. Oh, look at these.
It's for that camera.
They're Keto Chow playing cards. What the?
Wait, what? Oh my goodness.
There's a garbage can right there.
Oh, chicken.
Oh my god.
And we say what? Thank you.
You're welcome.
I believe
Well,
Miss
the
Lynette
company
was
that
the
makes-
one that handed them.
Oh,
The company that makes
cute.
them,
Jack
it's for
King.
like weddings
Bacon.
Oh, Ace is
and
bacon.
things like that.
Wait, what
Oh, no, that's
They-
a suit.
Actually, the minimum
Yeah.
is one.
The
day,
queen, the king.
but
Oh,
it
that's
is-
cute.
Oh, it's
Butter.
butter.
You
Butter.
just get one.
Oh my goodness.
All right, everyone needs to go to the Keto Chow store and buy these.
Avocado.
Avocado. They're so cute.
Cool.
The Jack King. Oh, and they're like pistachio.
Chicken. Oh my goodness, they're so cute.
They are so
And then
cute.
two jokers.
Yep.
I appreciate this mightily.
Bacon.
That's a,
That's how I eat bacon.
that's a bouquet of bacon right
I
there.
mean,
I wonder if anyone watching our videos has an order on this cart. Wouldn't that be crazy?
probably. Perfect. Thank you.
We're gonna wrap bubble wrap. We're gonna get wrapped up.
That's a good question. Some of my nights with a roll of bubble wrap. Pop, pop. Anyway, so this is where all of the shipping happens. Thank you.
Words can be tricky some
Right?
days.
Got different stations. We've got an office in there. Yep, and this is actually, we'll be doing the meetup over in here.
Okay.
Ah.
So,
It's cool to see behind the scenes of where that actually happens. Oh, and it makes sense because you got a door right there.
yeah, and we'll move this up and down.
Oh, I see, I see.
Load up with chairs. All right, well, let's go upstairs. Upstairs. There's an
But wait, there's more. Aha. This is the cushy area.
Oh my goodness.
What?
to the idea of forts.
Wow.
Box forts.
It's not just
It's
forts.
for Christmas. That's a robot.
Forts and fun. Wow.
So we finished the shipping space first, and we have quite a large creative and marketing team. And so recently we finished that. We finished this area for that team to work in. So we've got some quiet pods right there where you can have a meeting, take a phone call, whatever.
Awesome.
Mom, you need one.
We need a quiet pod at home.
Mom needs a
I
quiet
will be
pod.
in
Yeah, there you
it
go.
all day.
No, you just need a lot of all of us in it.
And most of our team is working 410s. So they're
Oh, wow.
usually here on Fridays,
really
unless
smart.
something extraordinary happened, like they spent all day at a mine yesterday instead of making it their hours.
The single day. Winning the winning salt gun.
Yes. Ooh, infinity cubes.
We got a couple of them, but these are different. Oop.
Oh. Yeah. These ones I think are my favorites.
I really love like the whole
They're so
color palette.
weird.
Oh, that's funny.
Infinity cubes. I love infinity cubes.
I had the prototype one, so
Love
that's my
Nice.
mug. It's so cool.
It's the best one. Limited edition.
Every time I go to refill it, people are like,
It's precious that y'all work in the same office.
Yeah. I'm glad you guys like each other.
Aww.
it used to be called the monkeys. But like, no, like the shipping monkeys, the warehouse monkeys, but they contribute significantly to the business. So Ollie's like, we're giving them a better name. They're the assembly.
Well, it was fun calling them the monkeys when it was like all of our kids.
Yeah.
But when we started hiring like adults, it was like different.
I would totally rock out being
Oh, I
baby.
know.
Put that on
I
your
was called
resume.
the monkey wrangler at that point.
Monkey Wrangler. In the old days, before we acquired that section over there,
In the olden days.
yeah, back in the old days, the entire shipping operation was in that office right there.
Wow.
we'll go in there. That's where customer service is. So you would have all of the pickup and everything right here, and then they would do all the shipping in there. But we outgrew that pretty quickly.
Mom, look at this huge roll of
This
I
right
know.
here is
Stickers.
The shelf is dead.
Ah.
Whenever we get a damage package, whenever we get something like that, it goes on here. You remember I said that all of the stuff in my cover
Yep.
is the damage package. So
Wow.
yeah, this is where it ends up, and employees take it to use it.
That's awesome.
They get picked up here in about a half an hour.
Wow. All the keto chows shipping all over the world or the country.
Both.
Both.